You know what devotion is? Do you know what devotion is? It is a progressive. Progressive means step by step. Willingness and capacity to pay attention to the awakened state of mind and to be changed by it. It means deep down inside you are compassionate. Deep down inside you are giving. Deep down inside you do not give up. Deep down inside you are intelligent. Deep down inside your mind has no limits, no beginning and no end. Deep down inside you have the potential to be an awakened being. And to become that awakened being, you must reach that inner being, that inner quality that you have in you. So devotion is willingness to accept that you can win. You can be successful. You can overcome. You can become different. You can be respected and loved and cared about. You can touch people's lives. You are worth something. Devotion to your guru means you can be a winner. And it's progressive. That is what real devotion is. People think devotion is whatever your guru says, you don't talk back. People think guru devotion is give all your money and your family and all your loved ones and everything you have, give it to your guru. Give everything to him. That's not devotion. Devotion means, oh, you can stay up 3 a.m. in the morning, and you can sleep 2 hours and do Dharma work and never get tired, and you can be a slave for your guru. That's not guru devotion. That is not. Guru devotion is to stop telling yourself you can fail and stop protecting your failure. And all the times that you have failed, to stop protecting that failure by being nasty and negative and ugly to other people. By stop being negative and ugly and nasty to other people, you stop protecting your failure. When you stop protecting your failure, that is devotion. Why is that devotion? Devotion means to do something again and again and again without lapse. Lapse. To do it again and again and again without lapse is devotion. And guru devotion, real guru devotion, is to listen to your guru when he tells you, you can learn that. You can transform your anger. You can achieve and be successful. You can be a great person. When the guru tells you, stop hiding, stop avoiding, stop running away, that is guru devotion. So guru devotion is progressive willingness to face your fears and to face your failures and your fear of failure being exposed openly with your guru. It doesn't mean announcing it to the world, to your guru. How do you get healed with a doctor if you don't tell him your whole medical history? If you hide. You have 50 operations, you go, doctor, I haven't been touched in my life. You're addicted to Prozac, I don't take any drugs. You can't sleep without Xanax and you tell them, I sleep like a baby. So of course the doctor is going to give you all mixed up medicine. If you don't expose yourself to the doctor and lie and hide to your doctor, how will your doctor heal you? So if you hide with your guru and you play games and you avoid and you run and you fight and you do all kinds of things with your guru, how can the guru heal you? You think about it. Guru devotion is accepting one's failure and that one has failed in certain parts of one's life. And guru devotion is saying that you don't have to fail anymore. But it's hard work because not to fail anymore, you must be perseverant, you must be patient, you must be generous, you must be forgiving, and you must have enthusiastic effort. That is guru devotion. Every time you don't give up, you have guru devotion. Every time you don't give up, you do your prayers, that's not guru devotion. Every time someone offends you or makes you relive a past experience that is horrible and you want to scream at them and you control yourself, that is guru devotion. Every time you show love and compassion to others who hurt you, That is Guru devotion. So when you become devoted to your Guru, that is a sign of Guru devotion. Why? Being physically attached to your Guru is not Guru devotion, because your Guru will die. Lord Buddha had to die. Definitely an ordinary person like me have to die. That's real Guru devotion. And if you have real Guru devotion, you will find the Guru inside of you. And when you feel the love of your Guru, and you want the love of your Guru, and you feel your Guru loves you, and your Guru has love, do not surrender to the love in a wrong way. How do you surrender the love to the wrong way? Let me tell you. When you feel that the Guru will take care of your problems, solve your misery, give you much money that you want, always find a way to help you out of your problems and difficulties, no. That's not love of a Guru. That's extortionism. Extortionism? Huh? That's extortionism. When you say, my Guru loves me because he gave me money, or he gave me help, or he gave me food, or he gave me this, or gave me that, that's not love. And you're not feeling love, and you're just covering up by saying love. That is your greedy mind. Again, not facing yourself and taking care of your own problems. Very simple. And it has not have to do with money. It can be emotions. You do something bad, you go to your Guru and say all kinds of things and create schism, or try to cover your tracks, try to cover your mistake. Very bad. Why is that very bad? You're not exposing your disease to the doctor openly. How will you get healed? How? You think about that. So love of a Guru is unconditional, not conditions. You see, we think that our Gurus must love us unconditionally. They do. But actually, we put conditions on their love. If I'm financially in trouble, they must help me. Then my Guru loves me. Then when I tell other people, see, my Guru is kind what? If I need help, my Guru is available 24 hours a day for me. If I want to do something at this time, at that time, my Guru has to do it that way. We make a lot of conditions for our teacher. We make a lot of conditions for our teacher, and our teachers must fulfill that condition. Then, therefore, we say, he loves us. That's not love. That's not love at all. Love of a Guru is when you follow what your Guru says in the transformation of your character and your fundamental mind. And when you transform your fundamental mind, then you love your Guru and your Guru loves you. Because love is never having to suffer again. And how can the Guru make sure you don't suffer? By making sure you transform your mind. So if you think getting gifts and getting special SMSs or special letters or whatever is love from your Guru, or money, you're wrong. You're sadly wrong. And if you think your Guru is giving you love through that way, you're also sadly wrong. You're sadly wrong. And if you think you're not getting gifts or attention and therefore your Guru doesn't love you, you're also sadly wrong. Why are you sadly wrong? Do you know what your Guru is thinking in his mind? Do you know what method your Guru is using on you now? If you doubt your Guru's method, then why is he even your Guru? And if you doubt one Guru, you'll doubt another one. You doubt another one, you'll doubt another one. Because you'll keep taking past experiences and projecting onto new experiences. Definitely. That's why Guru hopping is looked down upon in Tibetan Buddhism. Very looked down upon. Hop from one Guru, one center, hop here, hop there, hop there, hop there. Talk about this Guru, talk about that center, talk about that temple, this lineage, that. Very looked down upon. Why? Because we don't have the wisdom and the study and the learning to see through. So we take a past experience, project it onto another. Very dangerous. Very, very dangerous. Therefore, love from a Guru is not the physical, emotional, material gifts you're getting. You may be getting physical, emotional love from your Guru, but that's not love. What is love is the actual Dharma that your Guru takes the time to teach you, to share with you again and again. That is love. That is real love. Why? Because if you apply those teachings, many things in you will transform. That is love. Why is that love? Because then you won't ever suffer again. You think about that. So a summary of this chapter. A summary of this chapter is very simple. Guru devotion is a progressive acceptance of one's failures, and from those failures, the fears that arise to be discovered. And to attack those fears by correcting what we have done wrong. So in the past, if we gave up easy, we don't give up anymore. When we don't give up anymore, we won't have any fears about that. When we won't have any fears, if people say anything about that, we won't get angry. We won't defend. We won't protect anymore. Very simple. Guru devotion is accepting one's failures. And accepting one's failures means realizing where the fears come from. Therefore, the cause is not on the outside. The cause is on the inside. And that is real Guru devotion. So you should be, listen carefully, you should be very, very, very devoted to your Guru. You should surrender your body and your speech and your mind to your Guru in the correct way. You should surrender. One who has Guru devotion doesn't need to live near the Guru. If the circumstances don't allow it, maybe they need to travel and teach or do other work, but their Guru and them is very close, not because of proximity, but because they do their Guru's practice. How can we be close to Shakyamuni? He's dead. By doing his practice, by achieving his enlightened state.